Oh, Mary-Helen, thank you so much for being here on the Valder Beebe Show. You're with Zelle,
I am.
correct?
I'm yes, that's correct.
Okay. You have quite a bit of information you probably can share with us about payments and things like that. Could you start with telling us about digital payments this time of year?
Yeah, thank you. Great question. Yes, we are seeing an increase in digital payment usage, especially this time of year as we think about we're coming into the holiday season, thinking about how our small business customers are using Zelle in a wider variety to be paid, directly and quickly. So I think one of the benefits of digital payments is the fast and simplicity of it, being able to get the money into your account within minutes. And also, it's simple from a consumer to pay a small business because it's through their bank or credit union app to be able to one click away to making a payment. So we're definitely seeing an increase as we think about, local farmers markets or, holiday festivals coming through where consumers are looking for unique local ways to provide that unique gift. And being able to pay with a digital payment like Zelle is just one way to really improve that experience.
Today, my guest is Mary-Helen McElfresh. She is the head of Smart Payments for Zelle. Okay, I'm going to take this from Mary-Helen from Facebook because it's a really good question. They want to know, how does Zelle help them with consumer fraud when people try to charge things against their account. This is what it says. It says that their bank is real good about catching consumer fraud, but yet it continues to happen. So what does Zelle do about consumer fraud as they continue to use it?
Yeah, thank you for that question. At Zelle, we take consumer protection really to our highest priority in what we do. And so we monitor activity of millions of data that we monitor on a daily basis to prevent criminals from taking advantage of consumers and, thinking about where consumers might get scammed. That happens really before the payment even happens. It happens on social media or a text or a phone call. And so really understand that there is utmost security that we do with our, not just at Zelle, but also our 2,300 financial institutions that put consumer protections at their utmost. And, we are really trying to prevent and stop criminals. Like that's what we do. And that's how we at Zelle manage to prevent fraud scams from happening.
There you go, Poster. Okay, so as small businesses embrace digital payment platforms, what does this mean to us as the consumer?
Well, as a consumer, it allows you to pay that small business through your app, and you don't have to take your credit card with you. You don't have to cash with you. If you're dealing with a small business, being able to pay them immediately is important for you as a consumer, but also important for that small business because they get the funds immediately into their accounts, and they're busy running their business, right? They're trying to delight their customers, and also they're managing finances and cash flow in their business. And so, being able to use digital payments like Zelle into making those purchases really is a win for both consumer and a small business.
Going into the holidays, I'll wrap up with this. Going into the holidays and lots of shopping is going on, what tips do you have for us as the consumer?
Yeah, I think, the most important thing is being able to make a payment to somebody you know and trust. And so when you're at that market and you're buying bread from a local baker, making sure that, you get the bread, that you can feel it, it's warm, or that you're getting a service. So let's just say you're going out of town and you have to have a pet sitter, making sure that you can pay your pet sitter through Zelle, like small business. It's really ensuring that, again, who you're paying, you trust who you're paying, you can see the information or the services that you're getting. And really it's about having fun knowing that you can delight your family with unique gifts locally, but you can pay securely with Zelle.
Online, can my audience get some more information so that they can be more educated? Because the more you know, the better you are.
Yeah, absolutely. Check out Zelle.com for more information about Zelle. And thank you for having me, and enjoy your holidays.
Thank you so very much for talking to the audience of the Valder Beebe Show. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Valder Beebe, host of The Valder Beebe Show. We have over 1,000 videos on ValderBeebeShow.com and YouTube.com/Valder Beebe Show. We upload new videos daily. Our site is a modern baby boomer platform with news and information important to boomers. Subscribe to youtube.com/Valder Beebe Show and stay connected as I interview the world's most fascinating people.